In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly embed a YouTube video into your application using Base44. This process is straightforward, but a bit of guidance will ensure you get it done smoothly. So let's dive into it. First, you'll want to navigate over to Base44. Open your preferred browser and type in the Base44 website address. Once you're there, locate the Apps section on the website. Within the Apps section, you'll see an option to view your apps. Click on this and you'll be directed to a list of applications that you're managing or have access to. It's important to ensure you're on the right app, so take a moment to locate the specific app where you want to embed the YouTube video. Now, while keeping Base44 open, go ahead and open a new tab in your browser. Here, you'll be heading over to YouTube. In the new tab, type in the YouTube web address. Once there, use the search bar to find the video you wish to embed in your app. So this could be any video that fits the needs of your app, perhaps a tutorial, a promotional video, or whatever content you have in mind that complements your project. And after you've found the desired video, click on it to open its playback page. Below the video, you'll find a wide array of options. Look for the share button, usually accompanied by an arrow icon, and click it to open up a dialog with several sharing options. Within the sharing options, there will be an embed selection. Click on embed and you'll be presented with the embed code in a small box. This is the code that allows you to incorporate the video into your application. Simply click on the copy button to copy this code to your clipboard. With the code copied, navigate back to the Base44 tab. Here, you'll need to initiate the command to add this code into your chosen app. In your app interface, you'll see a text box or command prompt area. Type in "add this code to my app." This tells the system that you're about to paste some code that should be inserted into your app's structure. Now paste the embed code into the text box or command prompt right after your typed instruction. After pasting the code, simply press enter. By doing this, you're instructing Base44 to take the embed code you've provided and integrate it into your application. And there you have it. Your YouTube video is now embedded into your app via Base44. This feature is a great way to engage users directly through enriching video content. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you've learned how to effectively integrate dynamic content into your applications. Thank you for tuning in and happy developing!